If you're looking for self-hosted, open-sourced identity providers, then there are many to choose from. However, today we're having a look at Authentik. We're also having a look at Zitadel. We want to figure out what they have to offer and why you should even use them. Okay, so let's have a look at Authentik. So Authentik delivers flexible, self-hosted authentication. It works very well with all major protocols. The platform also excels in environments requiring customizable identity management. It bridges legacy and modern applications. Authentik also offers modular authentication flows. So you can create custom authentication sequences with visual workflow editors. You have an intuitive interface for administering identities, groups, or even policies. And it has a multi-factor authentication with a user self-service capabilities, which is of course also fantastic. Having a look over here at the deployment and access control, it replaces commercial solutions like Okta and OAuth2. Also, it has rules based on groups, time, and even network location. It has flexible deployment, so Docker, Kubernetes, or infrastructure it uses as code. Having a look at Zitadel now, which is open source self-hosted identity provider software, and it is enterprise grade identity management. It is very flexible and flexible of open source, and it combines the robust security features of commercial solutions with the transparency and customization options developers need for modern authentication challenges. Let's have a look at a couple more of their options here. So they have deployment options. They have self-hosted on your infrastructure, or it's available as a SaaS, which is software as a service with full control over user data and configurations. It also has protocol support. So it has native OpenID, Connect, OAuth, and SAML implementations for seamless integration with existing systems. And it has a centralized user management system with role-based access control and multi-factor authentication. The last thing is its multi-tenancy capabilities. So Zitadel is built from the ground up with multi-tenancy in mind, allowing you to manage multiple independent organizations, each with its very own users, applications, and configurations, all within a single Zitadel instance. It has data isolation, so it ensures complete separation of user data and configurations between tenants, enhancing your overall security as well as compliance. It also offers great scalability, so it's efficiently scaling to support a large number of tenants, making it ideal for software as a service providers as well as large enterprises. And it is also very cost efficient, so it reduces operational overheads by consolidating infrastructure and management for more diverse user bases. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.